Let me guess. You want to make money in the bull run, you want to 10x your portfolio, then you want to sell into the sunset with all those gains. Now, in the last bull run, that's exactly what I wanted to do. But the way I approached it was zero plan, zero strategy, zero idea of what I was doing, and I didn't actually make any profits or anything in that bull run. So this time, this is what I have put together to help me make profits and actually come out with something in the bull run. That is not to say that I'd never make gains in crypto. Obviously, in this bull run, I bought Casper at 4 cents. I'm already 3x up on that. I doubled my money with Fetch.ai, and I bought Bitcoin at 27k. However, this here is my blueprint, shall we say, for this bull run. And it is easier than you think, but 99% of people in this bull run, just like the last one, are going to get wrecked. So where do we start? Number one, buy crypto. And I say 5 to 7 cryptos is the ideal crypto portfolio. For your main portfolio, you may have like a DGen one or, a DeFi one, but 5 to 7 cryptos. And within that is a selection of the type of coins, because I always say that if you have them in different sectors, then that will definitely help with diversifying your portfolio. So we've got like a layer 1, DeFi, AI, gaming, layer 2, and a moonshot as well. Doesn't really matter where you buy your crypto. It can be on an exchange. So I buy mine, for example, on Swissborg, on Coinbase. And then the next thing is send it to a self-custodial wallet. Once it's off an exchange, that means that your crypto is safe in case an exchange goes down. I tell the guys in my crypto group, which is called the 10X Club, it is a crypto community that is completely free. If you're interested in joining, click the link in the description. Got live streams in there, got lots of resources, got a crypto course in there, how to DeFi. You can also have a one-to-one call with me as well. I do have a VIP group where we do 2 monthly Zoom calls a week, every month. We've got updates on my crypto portfolio, more courses in there. The link for that is in the description as well. So, send the crypto to a non-custodial wallet. Examples of non-custodial wallets, and you'll have to obviously do your research on these. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, the hot wallets, so they're wallets that you have on your phone. Then you've got Ledger and you've got Trezor. These two are cold wallets, so that means it is a physical thing that you either plug into your MacBook or computer, or you transfer it over Wi-Fi. And for these, if you are getting a Ledger or a Trezor, what we'll say is make sure you get it off the Ledger or Trezor website. If you get it on Amazon, if you get it on eBay, could be compromised and it could drain your crypto if it has been, if it's got malware or sort of like a virus on it or whatever. Right, so you've got in crypto, you've got a non-custodial wallet. Now what nobody ever does is you need to record the buying price of your coins. If you don't know what price you bought your coins at, then you ain't going to know how much profit you've made. You cannot formulate any kind of strategy in terms of profit taking unless you're recording the buying price of all your coins. So make sure you do that. Now, you could do this on a spreadsheet. You could do this on an app like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. All you need to do with that, and if you want to backdate it, if you've got a spreadsheet, you want to put it on one of those apps, all you need to do is remember the day that you did it, and then it'll automatically put in the price that you bought it for. Then, it will also record your average price as well on these websites, but you can calculate that yourself on a spreadsheet. Now, what you've got to decide for that is, do you want to use DeFi? So using MetaMask and Trust Wallet, these are the main two out there. You can use DeFi. So DeFi is decentralized finance. Obviously, I mentioned I have got a free course on DeFi in my crypto community. If you want to use DeFi, that is where you connect these wallets to it and use the DeFi protocol. So that means that you can stake your crypto in your wallet without having to use, like a Binance or a Coinbase or any of these apps. Because I don't trust exchanges after what happened last time with FTX, Celsius, Voyager Freeway, you name them. And that's another reason why I don't have any affiliate links in my profile for any exchanges. Now, after that, what you need to do is write down your strategy for taking profits. Like I mentioned in the last bull run, I had zero strategy. This is mine in this bull run. My strategy is take 20% out when your coin does a 5x. Right? This way, you break even at this point. So what do I mean by that? Let's say, for example, you bought $1,000 of a coin and the coin is priced at $1, just to make it simple. That coin then does a 5x and is now worth $5 and you've got $5,000. You take 20% out of that, which is $1,000. You're basically getting your initial principal back. Then anything past that is profit. Then after that, what you need to do is set yourself some targets. So if you set yourself 4 more cash out points, so you take 20% of the token out, 4 more points, that's everything gone. So you could think, well, it might be a 7x, an 8x, a 10x, a 15x, but you just got to be aware that it may not hit, the last 2 points. So try and be reasonable with what you're doing. Now you may think 5x isn't reasonable because in any other world, if you were to buy, some shares in Apple, for example, you were thinking, 5x, it would take a lot of years to do a 5x. This is crypto. And in the bull run, everything goes extremely crazy in the bull run and coins go up a ridiculous amount. So what I would say is if you're watching this video and it is the midst of the bull run and everything is going crazy, then you're probably too late to do this 5x rule because you wouldn't have bought your crypto at a good rate. You would have probably bought it when Bitcoin's at 100 plus K, Ethereum's at, 7, 8, 9K. So you're not going to get the 5x. And going back to this as well, no, I don't think Bitcoin's going to do the 5x, and I don't think Ethereum is. So this is primarily based on altcoins. And obviously, if you go far down the market cap rankings, the more likely they are to have gains. And it is just a case of getting that kind of balance between a coin that's going to do, the 5x, the 10x, 15x, but not being a bad coin that is too low down in market cap that's going to get wrecked. I have other videos for that, so you can have a look through, the playlist for it, and also in the 10x club as well. Final step, and no one ever talked about this, is calculating your taxes. You can use a spreadsheet yourself and work it out. The Crypto Books is a company I've been speaking to. There's also one called Coinly. All you do with this is you connect your wallets to it, select your region, so whether it's, the UK, the US, the EU, whatever. And then what it'll do is you put in the tax year and it'll work out how many taxes you have to report for your crypto. Then after that, you can enjoy your gains. And that is it. This is the blueprint. Okay? Quickly, buy crypto, 5 to 7 within different sectors, send to self-custodial wallets, a mixture of cold and hot. For cold, the price you bought them at. Remember, do you want to use DeFi, stake or farming? Write down the strategy. This is my strategy. Put your price targets in. Calculating your taxes, probably easy using one of these softwares. Then that's it. That is my blueprint for the bull run. Hope you liked today's video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you guys very soon.